Hey guys, welcome back to the DeFi Passive Income YouTube channel. So today we are going to take a look over baked beans contract. So this is the OG miner, the one which you can trust. This miner baked beans has been around I think for 4 to 5 months now and it is going pretty well so far. So guys, before moving any further, this is not a financial advice and I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research before investing into any of these projects as these projects are super risky. So with that said, let's have a look over baked beans. Suppose if you want to invest 1 BNB, you'll just type it in 1 and click on baked beans. Now what this will does, this will convert your 1 BNB into beans and these beans will generate daily rewards in the form of BNB. So higher the number of beans that you have, the more rewards you will get in the form of BNB per day. Now you cannot claim these rewards daily and we will come to that in a second. First of all, let's have a look over this contract. So currently this contract holds 21,128 BNBs and I have invested 1 BNB in this so far. And when I invested in this contract, the contract balance was I think around 7,000 BNBs. And since then it has grown so much right now, which means new investors are coming in and they are doing a good job at marketing. They are providing a daily return of 8% over your investment and their APR is 2920. Deposit and claim tax is 3%. So guys, basically these projects sustain themselves by using a strategy called 6:1 strategy. What that means basically is, suppose if you have deposited 1 BNB on Monday, you will come on Tuesday, you will click on rebake, which is the recompound button. So suppose you have deposited 1 BNB on Monday. So on Tuesday, you will come at the same time, you will click on the rebake button, which is basically the recompound button. And on Wednesday, you will do the same thing. You will come at the same time, you will click on the rebake button. You will keep doing this until Saturday, 6 days a week. And on Sunday, you will come over here at the same time. And on Sunday, you will come over here and instead of clicking rebake button, you will click eat beans button. So on the Sunday, you will take your profit. So this is the 6:1 strategy, which is basically you will compound 6 days a week and take your profit on the 7th day. So this is the strategy which make this project sustainable, and each and every investor including me, we follow the same protocol of 6:1, because if you do not follow the protocol and you will keep claiming your rewards daily, your daily return would go up to like 3 to 5% per day. So your overall returns will be decreased by the algorithm. So coming over to their white paper, this is their white paper. I will leave all the links down in the description box below so you can read it out for yourselves. Coming over to BSC scan, as you can see, the balance holds 21,131 BNBs worth up to $8.8 million. And as you can see, transactions are going on each and every second, which means it's a healthy project and new investors are coming in and cash flow is good. Let's have a look on how much you can earn in a month. So let's check out the price of 1 BNB really quick. It is $420, so we'll put in $420. Our daily ROI is 8%, so 0.08. Compound tax is very minimal, so I'll just keep it at 0. Deposit tax is 3% and we will compound it every 24 hours. So our initial investment of $420 on the first day, it will be $407 because of the 3% deposit tax. And on first day, our daily ROI would be $32. Now on the second day, you will compound your rewards and your total value will be $439. You'll keep doing this until day 6, and on day 6 your total initial deposit will become $598 and your daily ROI would be $47. And on the 7th day you will come in here and you will claim your rewards. So it means on 7th day you will claim up to $51 worth of BNB into your MetaMask wallet or any other wallet. Now you will repeat the cycle on the 8th day as well and you will claim your rewards on 14th day, and on 14th day you will claim $88 worth of BNB. So in 2 weeks we'll get 88 plus 51. So in 2 weeks you'll get $139 worth of BNB into your MetaMask wallet without doing anything, guys. Now if we go over to the day 35, on day 35 you will get $446 on that day, on that particular day, which is a little bit higher than our initial deposit of $420. So you are making a little bit more than your initial deposit just on a single day on day 35. This is the power of this project, and this is the power of 6:1 strategy. You are claiming your rewards, and at the same time you are also increasing your initial deposit to a good number. I'll leave my referral link down in the description box below. If you want to go ahead, you can use it. That's optional. That's completely optional. So guys, I hope you have liked the video. If yes, please do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more future videos like this.